7, and 8. So you're just going to fill these little triangles in with numbers. And then underneath them, we're just going to make a little line to make sure which is which. And now we're just going to write something. I'm going to just write some little messages down there. You are cool. You don't have to do the message I'm doing. So, yeah. I'm going to write cute. This one. And then I'm going to do smart. Smart in 1. I'm going to do you will live a long life. And then I'm going to do, I think I will do kind of hard because there's lots of options to pick. Ooh, I'm going to do one that says a dare. So you're going to have to do a dare on this if you land on it. I'm going to do one that says truth as well. And maybe I'll say you look pretty. You look pretty. Or you can, and I can do, what else? There's so many choices to pick from. I think I'm going to do awesome, I guess. Awesomely cool. Okay, now we're going to just make a line across. Now we're just going to make a line to divide all of them like this. At the end, it should look like this. And then, this is a little tricky part. Just going to fold it again. Make sure it's nice and foldy, because now is when you're going to appear your fortune teller. Just going to put your hands through this. It might look a little bendy, but you can just like unfold it. It should look like this. Now pick a color. Orange. O-R-A-N-G. Pick a number. 1. Pick another number. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, 6, 7. Pick another number. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now pick the last number. 8. Right, let's see what your fortune is. Truth. Your truth is going to be Your truth is going to be, are you smart? Yes! That's a little round of fortune teller you can do with your friends. Sometimes if you just want to do it by yourself, you can. But sometimes it gets tricky by yourself. I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself now. So, I'm going to pick red, R-E-D. Now I'm going to pick the number 5. I messed up. Guys, that is not how you do it by yourself. I just messed up, so don't try it. So I'm going to pick green, G-R-E-E-N. I'm going to pick 2. 1, 2. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to do 3. It says, you will live a long life. See, 3. You will live a long life. That's my fortune. Please remember to like, share, comment, and stay tuned to our channel, JDR Vibes, to watch more exciting videos like this.